Here today at Delta River Nature Center of Bluff, we have our exhibits back open. We have actually a new exhibit that has our eagles, and we have 3 owls out there and a turkey vulture also. We also have 2 alligators, 1 baby and 1 7-foot female one. We have all of our different snakes. We have the walking trails that you can visit. We have the aquarium back up and going. And we have our gift shop that has information to do with hunting and fishing and trapping and other. You can also buy your hunting and fishing license here. We do sell the 65 plus one, that is your lifetime license. But if you are a veteran, you do have to go to the actual headquarters to get that license. For safety purposes, anybody that is over the age of 10 years old does have to wear a mask. You have to sign in when you come in, giving us your information in case somebody comes back during the time that you was in the facility with COVID. We can come back and let you know that you might have been exposed. We have hand sanitizer throughout the whole facility that you are able to use, and we are having everybody practice the distance.